Hello! What is the IELTS General Test, you ask? It is a standardized English test which assesses all 4 skills of the English language in everyday situations. The IELTS, meaning International English Language Testing System, measures your ability to communicate and use English in a non-academic environment. The test is meant for people wanting to work abroad or those who are going to live in an English-speaking country, where they'll have to demonstrate their ability to communicate in English on a daily basis. It is widely recognized by recruiters and can sometimes be requested to migrate to another country or in academic institutions. The IELTS uses a scale from 1, non-user, to 9, expert, to identify your level of proficiency. The overall band score is the average of the scores of the 4 sections, rounded to the nearest band or half band. The test is valid for 2 years. The IELTS test lasts 2 hours and 45 minutes. The test is divided into 4 sections: listening, 40 questions; reading, 40 questions; writing, 2 tasks; and speaking, 3 tasks. The first 3 sections will be completed on the same day, with no breaks in between them. However, you might complete the speaking section before or after the other sections. Don't worry, you will be advised by your test center. You will encounter general topics from everyday life: studies, workplace, social situations, etc. Soon, the structure of the test won't have secrets anymore. Now, it's up to you to practice. Good luck!